Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Motivated Pinoy. I have 2016 Nissan Pathfinder trying to replace the wheel hub bearing, which I got quoted from the dealership $1,500. So I'd rather do it myself and show you guys how easy it is to do it. And I hope you guys learned something here. I gotta stop here for a sec. When you're taking this out, sometimes they come out easy, sometimes you just use this, and a lot of the people, they just use a small hammer. But if you're gonna do this DIY, I might prepare to get one of these the big ones. You know why? If you don't use that, you'll be there forever. And when you're using this big piece, make sure you only hit this part or one of the parts. This is the new part right here. It's brand new. Alright guys, the new one is in. So just so you guys know, please do not forget to check all the bolts that you're putting back in and retorque everything back, and you're done. So anyway, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, Motivated Pinoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.